Heading over to the second pickup, and that is closer to Dallas now. So I'm heading east towards Dallas. Picked up the load, getting ready to head out. Probably gonna go get some food somewhere. Man, I'm starving. But yep, starting my journey to California. Finally. Excited about that. Super much so. I'm in this rare situation, which like almost never happens, where the truck stop that I'm at is actually close to some semi-decent food, which never happens. I mean, truck stops, you got Subway, Wendy's, maybe a McDonald's. Not good choices either way. I think I'm gonna go have myself a burger, or maybe Panda Express. I don't know. Either way, I'm excited. Can't you tell? I think there's a Starbucks there too, which is just, I need it. Today is, for me, is kind of one of those days, you know, where I'm just like, you know. Actually about a quarter or half a mile walk, but I don't mind. Check out this view. How pretty is that, huh? This is the like green part of Texas. Pretty nice. Lightning up ahead. I got a show. I'm heading like straight at it. Hopefully there's no storm, but there could be. Wow, that's incredible. I mean, there's obviously a storm, but I hope I go around it. I made it to the middle of New Mexico, somewhere in that area. Not to Albuquerque yet. That'll be tomorrow morning. I was concerned that today was going to be kind of boring for the vlog. It was kind of uneventful until that lightning came through with all the excitement. Good guy lightning, right on. I have a lot of footage from the past few days that I haven't been able to edit. So, like, especially when I get home, that stuff is gonna come out. I'm gonna have a video coming out every day for the past few days. Ideally, like, I wanted to release videos every single day, but I just can't get them edited every day because editing takes like hours, and I don't want it to cut into my sleeping time, because if I don't get my sleep, if I don't get my full sleep, then I can't be a safe driver on the next day. So I try to get some editing in when I'm like sitting around waiting to get unloaded, or when I'm waiting for a load, or just whenever I have free time. But there's going to be days where I don't have that free time and I'm not going to be able to edit. I don't just want to sit and speak into the camera about what I'm doing. That to me seems boring. I want to take like shots, you know, of my surroundings. And that takes time to edit later on, because I have more pieces of videos. Instead of just one video of me talking, I have a bunch of different videos of like whatever surroundings I shot. So it takes a little bit longer to do that, but I think the videos come out more interesting that way. I'm gonna try to upload as much as possible, like as often as possible. Ideally would be every day, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. I'm gonna have to see how this goes later on, as I get used to doing this every day. Anywho, that's it for me. I'm going to bed. It's late. Thank you for watching. And